Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to tell you that I'm partnering with FabFitFun for the first time. I am so excited, you guys have no idea. First, before I even get into it, thank you to FabFitFun for reaching out and for sponsoring this video. You have no idea how you made this girl's day. Week, month, year, perhaps. I wanted to share with you, first of all, that I was not aware of all that they did for great causes to promote women's businesses. It's what makes it the most exciting part. Plus the convenience that you get, new products that you could try out delivered directly to your home. And it ends up being like, I think this box is over $200 value that you're gonna get for $49.99, but you get to save $10 off if you use my code Henson. But we'll get into it so I can share whatever goodies are in here. I also want to tell you that there are some things in here that you can customize as well. But I'm so excited to get into it with you. So let's see what it is. I did cut the tape. That's all I did. Look how pretty. Okay, first, there is a little magazine with Maria Shriver on it, which is fantastic. It not only shows you a little bit about the company, but also has all of the box details and options you could choose from. It highlights and gives you their retail value, and then also has a few articles about some of the products that are new so that you can learn about the women who have worked to design them for you. It says saved this for you. Take a moment for yourself. Oh, it says get your glasses on, Jerry. I should have had my glasses on from the beginning, right? Whenever I have to stop what I'm doing and put my glasses on, I think of Jennifer Garner. I love her. I think we're close to being the same age. Save this for you. It says, take a moment for yourself. You get a HelloFresh discount card. And this is actually taped to the box. Oh, you get to try a discount on Purple. Ooh, the Purple mattress, another product I've always wanted to try. They give you like a little sample of what it feels like on a Purple mattress. You might have to sit on it. Maybe I could put it under my bad elbow. But this is how the box comes. I'm so excited to dig in. I can't. I don't want to rip the tissue. Do you do that at Christmas when stuff's wrapped so pretty you just don't even want to rip the tissue paper? Yeah. Oh, just me? Okay. Oh, my word. First of all, the first thing I noticed, that right there is a makeup eraser. Another amazing product that I follow on Instagram. I can't even. So if you've never heard of makeup eraser, you can remove all of your makeup with just water, and it's washable and it's reusable and it saves the planet and the environment and all of the things that we want to do in the world. That is amazing. Now I'll have to put on makeup just so I can take it off. So excited. Okay. Ooh, what is this? That's beautiful. It is, I'm gonna have to put this down. I didn't want to, but I have to because this is a two-handed opener. This is from Baddington Beauty, and it is, oh my gosh, lashes. Do they know that I need lashes? Oh my word, those are beautiful. Look at the quality. When I was 16, my friend Victor taught me how to put on lashes, and I haven't been successful ever since, so we'll give these a try and see how they work. I'm so excited. There's more. The Next thing that I see is by, oh, Cuccia. It looks like Cuccia. That's how I would say it. It is Yoga Calm and Clean. Oh, wow. Epsom salt, hand and body wash. What? All right, again, I have to put the box down. Oh, it smells wonderful. Oh, it says with lavender oil, because I was gonna say, it smells like lavender. Daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Oh, it's amazing. And you get a whole size. This is 8 ounces. And it comes in a little pump in this beautiful blue bottle. Like indigo. Oh, it's so pretty. Next. Okay. Ahava. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. It is natural Dead Sea bath salts. Like from the Dead Sea. That's amazing. My best friend Sharon has had eczema, and she says whenever she goes in the ocean, it just makes her skin amazing. So I can't speak for all skin conditions, but that looks amazing. And you get another huge 11 ounces. It's quite heavy. Oh my, here comes the fun stuff. Well, it's all fun stuff. This is Erno Laszlo's Exfoliate and Detox Pure Cleansing Clay Mask. Okay, so now who's having a spa day? Who's having a spa day? I'm having a spa day. There is a beautiful cleansing mask in there. So now I have seen the makeup eraser on Instagram. If you follow on Instagram, lots of people use it, but people do remove their masks with them as well. And again, with just water. So I'm dying to try this out. So you get another beautiful packaging and another full-size product. This is 3.3 ounces. And just to give you a quick, do more for your pores. Oh my gosh, I totally need that. I need that. Stop. It's a 2020 journal. I'm gonna put this back down again. You guys, that is a full-sized journal. It's by Paper Source. It's by Paper Source, and that is stunning. Now, I'm not 100% sure what some of the things are that you can customize, but this is beautiful. This is like the perfect way to start off the new year. It's a great combination so far for a winter box. I really do love it. But it's got for personal information. Let me show you just 1 month at a time. I'm gonna show you every month, don't worry. Okay, so you get full month at a glance, and then you get 1 week at a glance with a note page, which we love and when we're doing planning, don't we, ladies? Plenty of room to do lots of different designs on there as well, if you like. And then let's see if they have anything for the end of the month wrap up. It might go just into February. Yep, and it just goes into February. It goes from January all the way to December. And in the very beginning, they give you, calendar at a glance. This is 19 to 21 and 20. So basically could look like what last year was, what this year is. And then all of the holidays, all the way up through 2023. That's amazing. You know how many times I have to pull out my phone and look at the calendar? They give you a couple of different blank note pages. And then, oops. And then it jumps right into January. But that is absolutely stunning, and it has this beautiful gold elastic to match the beautiful gold foil on the front. And this, just with the roses and the, oh, it's so stunning. Okay, sorry, carrying on. Because it's wonderful, everything's wonderful. And finally, the pièce de résistance. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's heavy. Wow. A just want to make sure that I didn't lose, oh, I did lose something down there. So let me, before I get to the piecers this end, what was also down there, so it's Prep Rally. It is Prime and Prep Detangler. Wow. And it's by Dry Bar. And that is beautiful. And I'm gonna give it a sniff. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. It's just so clean and fresh with a tiny bit of floral. I love it. I love it. And it protects your hair up to 450 degrees. That is amazing. If you use hot iron, curling iron, if you're stuck in 1986 and you still use your crimper, that is amazing protection. Cannot wait to give it a try. So now, this says unhide, for love, not fur. And it's a fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux, really heavy something. And if it's a blanket, I'm gonna kvetz, because you guys know how I am about my throws. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Oh my God, it's so soft. Oh, I have to open it, I'm sorry. Don't worry, I'm using the non-razor blade portion. Oh my word. That is amazing feeling. It is. It's just a absolutely gorgeous fur throw. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. FabFitFun, you have outdone yourself. Well, being this is my first box, I wouldn't know, but this is absolutely gonna be my favorite ever. It's, first of all, it's my colors, matches the couch. And it is just, it feels like my Aunt Mary had a mink coat, you know, back before. And that does remind, it's just so beautifully silky. Thank you. I can't wait to snuggle up. Once again, I'd like to say thank you to FabFitFun for reaching out to me to partner on this video. I am like loving it. I hopefully can find the retail prices of all of this, and you'll see that on my videos like you do all the time. They're like right here. But all of this can be yours if it's your first box and you use my code for under $40. You can get all these products. If you've never tried FabFitFun before and you wanted to, I think this is the perfect opportunity. Christmas is just around the corner, or Hanukkah, or Kwanzaa, or Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. And these all would make wonderful gifts and such an amazing price and value. Plus, most of the products in the winter box are companies founded by women, which again is amazing. You know, we always talk about female empowerment, but how about the fact that women know women? And, you know, if a man went to go make you something, he may not consider what other women would consider, if that makes any sense. So I am super excited. Again, to get $10 off your first box, use the link in the description box down below. Use the code Henson. You don't have to use all caps, I don't think, but it's all in caps here. And please, if you do get it, go ahead and tag me, tag FabFitFun as well on Instagram if you do use social media. I would love to see what you guys got in case you customize something different than I got. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, what can I say? But thank you. But thank you so much. And as always, you guys take care. God bless, and we'll see you next time. Bye. And once again, just thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me in this video. Bye. Oh, can't get it under there. Oh my, they don't want this blanket going anywhere. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, I'm not re-guessing it.